world genius he is, Leonardo da Vinci. Had amazing abilities, Leonardo da Vinci. In science and in art, Leonardo was a star. He studied architecture, science, painting, and great genius he was. In his paintings, The Last Supper and Mona Lisa, Leonardo applied scientific ideas to smoothly diffuse contours. He used the sonata technique. He worked with perspective and created a unique sense of space. There was no boundary for all of his talents. He had ideas no one had before. And all throughout his life, he always studied and researched. Da Vinci's many talents will leave us amazed. A world genius he is, Leonardo da Vinci. Had amazing abilities, Leonardo da Vinci. In science and in art, Leonardo was a star. He studied architecture, science, painting, and great genius he was. He studied very well the human body, calculating proportions and its symmetry. He studied nerves and bones, the whole anatomy. Religious oppression tried to stop him, but they couldn't succeed. He designed and built flying machinery, inspired by the birds flying high in the sky. Military weapons and machinery. Da Vinci's creativity is a marvelous thing.
For centuries, scientists have studied the sun, the moon, and the stars rising from the east and setting in the west, like a circle.
The geocentric theory claims all planets orbit around Earth, but for the heliocentric theory, all planets orbit around the sun. Both can't be right.
Ptolemaic system on one side, Copernican on the other side. It's the sun circling the earth, or the earth circling the sun. For only one of these two theories can be the right one.
When Copernicus first suggested the heliocentric theory, he was opposed by many scientists of the time, because they still upholded the religious belief that the earth was the center of the universe. In 1609, using a sophisticated astronomical telescope, and after observing the planets for a long time, Galileo Galilei stated that it was the Earth the one orbiting the Sun. He was right, no one believed in him. Galileo is wrong was everyone's belief, and without studying the facts that Galileo presented, the Inquisition found him guilty. He was condemned. In exchange for his life, Galileo Galilei promised the Church and the Inquisition he was not going to claim his theory. But Galileo's conviction never changed. He knew he was right. Later, great scientists like Kepler and Newton found plenty of evidence proving Galileo Galilei's theory was completely and absolutely right.
Galileo never gave up his ideas. He never stopped with his constant research. He was convinced he was right, so he devoted his life to research and observation. With endless passion and courage, he helped us understand the universe. Galileo! Physician, mathematician, an astronomer. The universe wherein he helped us understand. Galileo, it, it moves and it's a fact. Galileo Galilei. Munchausen's science show. The title already thrills us all. Baron Munchausen's science show. The title already excites us all. Baron Munchausen's science show. The title already thrills us all. Baron Munchausen's science show. The title already excites us all. Show will make you sing and dance. Once you've seen it, you will not forget.
Baron Munchausen's science show. The title already inspires us all. Baron Munchausen's science show. The title already thrills us all. The show will make you sing and dance. Once you've seen it, smarter you'll become.
Baron Munchausen's science show. The title already thrills us all. Baron Munchausen's science show. The title already excites us all. The show will make you sing and dance. Every time you watch it, it's fantastic. Baron Munchausen's science show. With ghost scientists. Baron Munchausen's science show. With greater scientists who have changed the world. Only the braves could see the ghost scientists. It's amazing, it's the science show. Baron Munchausen's, Baron Munchausen's, Baron Munchausen's, Baron Munchausen's science show.
Can you believe that the soil of our planet is moving every day? You see the continents, they were not like nowadays. There was a time when they were all just one. It was just one supercontinent and was called by the name of Pangaea. Pangaea split and took more than 2 millions of years to take the shape of the world we know today. The theory of continental drift was Alfred Wegener, the one to discover it. The earth is moving, although it looks still, and the secret is buried way very deep. Under the cortex of our planet is the hot mantle of the earth. And that mantle is the one who tries to arise. A lot of pressure that makes tectonic plates clash. Tectonic plates are subjected to enormous pressure and friction. This can allow to appear things people don't want to see, like a volcano or a tsunami. All of this movement, the tectonic plates, cortex pieces floating on the surface of Earth, The earth is moving, although it looks still, and the secret is buried way very deep. Geological data that Wegner worked on, an impressive theory he showed to the world. All of this movement, the tectonic plates, cortex pieces floating on the surface of Earth. The Earth is moving, although it looks still, and the secret is buried way very deep. Cold is the cortex, hot is the heart. Continental drifting is amazing and wild.
Sun, planets are revolving. The solar system has 8 planets spinning around it: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And they circle the sun, attracts them. That's why they orbit all around him. Mercury, the smallest planet, it has no water, but in the surface is solid rock. Venus, it is the brightest, we call it morning star, and has a burning atmosphere. The third one is the one we live in, the earth has water, life, and humans. Around the flaming sun, planets are revolving. The solar system has 8 planets spinning around it: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. That's Mars, called the red planet, has oxide surface, and it's full of volcanoes and ice. Jupiter, Colossus giant, is many satellites, but it's entirely made of gas. Saturn, known for the ice ring that surrounds him, and Uranus ring is rotating upside down. Neptune's known for being the last, it is the coldest planet, so far away that solar rays cannot reach. Around the flaming sun, planets are revolving. The solar system has 8 planets spinning around it: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These are the 8 planets floating, spinning right around the sun. And the universe is started at that point. Depends on you to just believe or not. With a big kaboom, the world began to expand, and it's expanding since that day. I am humble, I can see the stars out there in outer space, the galaxies and cumulus as well. While they go away, you know their light is red. Yeah, I am humble, and those stars that are away from me, they move, disperse, and their light is red. Proof of the expansion of the universe. Yeah, and the universe is started at that point. Depends on you to just believe or not. With a big kaboom, the world began to expand, and it's expanding since that day. Yeah, I am Pansias, while I was using this antenna horn. In every place I checked there was a noise. This is a mistake, it is impossible. Yeah, I am Wilson. As you can see, the noise is on repeat. The whole universe is full of it. The mysterious cosmos is now what we see. Yeah. Before the explosion, the hit was so intense. Right after that, created matter and space. The waves of heat and time began to disperse, reaching and even parts the whole universe. Oh yeah. And nowadays the cosmic sound is a trace of the event that created time and space. You know the sound and the redshift of stars are living proof of what we call the Big Bang.
Big Bang. Big Bang. Big Bang.
And the universe has started at that point.
Big Bang.
Depends on you to just believe or not.
Big Bang.
With a big kaboom, the world began to expand.
Big Bang.
Depends on you to just believe or not.
Big Bang.
And the universe has started at that point.
Big Bang.
Depends on you to just believe or not.
Big Bang.
With a big kaboom, the world began to expand. And it is still expanding, and it is still expanding, and it's expanding since that day. And it's expanding since that day.